英语口语天天练。I agree. I agree. 我同意。No problem. No problem. 没问题。It's nothing. It's nothing. 没什么。Wait for me. Wait for me. 等等我。I got a raise. I got a raise. 我加薪了。I got it. I got it. 我明白了。Are you sure? Are you sure? 你确定吗？ Believe it or not. Believe it or not. 信不信由你。Either is fine. Either is fine. 哪个都行。My treat. My treat. 我请客。Be my guest. Be my guest. 别客气。My pleasure. My pleasure. 我的荣幸。That's right. 对的。What's your trouble? What's your trouble? 怎么了？ What about you? What about you? 你呢？ You'll be fine. You will be fine. 你会没事的。I'm so excited. 我好兴奋。He is my age. He is my age. 他和我同岁。Let's go shopping. Let's go shopping. 让我们一起购物吧。Good idea. Good idea. 好主意。